and it is very much interesting. You can see these puzzles everywhere. So today I am going to show you how you can solve these puzzles within a second. You just have to know the trick to solve these puzzles, then you can do this. Let's see. Hey guys, let's solve this puzzle. You can see this box. Here are some numbers and one number is missing. You have to find this number. Okay. So let's see. So guys, if you solve this type of puzzles, you just have to notice the relation between the numbers. Okay. So what are the relation? The relation may be addition, relation may be subtraction, relation may be division, and relation may be square of a number, and relation may be square of a number then add something, or square of a number then subtract something, like these cubes and etc. So this type of vast relations are there. So guys, if you want to totally clear of the concept of the maths puzzle, so do subscribe my channel, because I am going to tell you all the puzzles, mostly important puzzles which are come in all competitive exams or for all exams. So guys, support me and subscribe my channel so that you can know the tricks to find these types of all puzzles. So let's come to this puzzle. So first what you have to notice, the relation between the number. So here is 1 and here is 1. Okay, so when we add 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? So well, let's check. When we add 1 plus 2, that is your 3, but here is 6, it's not 3, so just cancel that trick. Let's do another trick. When you multiply 1 as 1, so you get 1, okay, which is here 1. That means when you this number come to this is multiplied. Understand? So like this, when you multiply 1 to 2, 1 into 2, so you get 2 here. Understand? So you multiplied 1 with 2. Okay, let's check here 2. So when you multiply 2 with 3, okay, 3 2s are 6, so here is 6. Okay, understand? So when you multiply 6 when you multiply 6 into 4, okay, here are the patterns 1 2 3 4. Okay, when you multiply 6 with 4, 24. Yeah, here is 24. Okay, so this method is correct for us. Let's what do 24. Okay, 24 into, here you multiplied 4, so follow the pattern 1 2 3 4. Here you multiply 5. Okay, so when you multiply 24 into 5, it will become 120. Understand? 120 here. Next, do same thing. So you have to multiply 120 into how much number? Here is 5, so you have to multiply 6. Okay, so what is the answer? 720. Okay, so our here answer is 720. Understand? So if you have any doubt, you can check this. Let's continue this pattern. When you multiply 720 into how much? 6 here. So 7. So what you get? Yes, this is correct. So you get 5040. So this pattern is correct. So what we have done? So we just do multiplication of this given number with our pattern number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 with the given number, so you get the answer. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Okay guys, let's solve another puzzle. So you can see here are three triangles, and here 5, 6, 2, 3, 2, 8, 4, 4, 7, 4, 14 and blank. So what number is come here? Okay, let's see the relation between this first figure. So in this first figure, if I add 5 plus 6 plus 2, so what you get? 5 plus 6 plus 2, this is your 13. Okay, so here is 15, so it is not applicable. So here is another way. If you add 2, okay, so you can get 15. Okay, you can get 15. So in this figure this is applicable. Let's see here in this figure, is the same pattern applicable or not? So first you have to add on this number 2 plus 8 plus 4. So what is this? This is your 14. Okay, so 14, so I got, so 14 is not here, here is only 4. That means this technique is not available. This technique is not available. So what is the technique? Let's do another things. Let's do multiply this two number. Okay, multiply this two numbers. So what you get? 30. Okay, and divided by this number, base number. Okay, so this is your 15. Here you get 15. Okay, let's do here same thing. If you multiply these two numbers, so what you get? 16. Okay, then divided by this last number, so here you get 4. Okay, here you get 4. So this pattern is correct. So just apply this pattern in this figure. So you have to multiply this 28 and divided by the last number 14. Okay, so what is your answer? 14 2s are 28. So the answer is 2. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay guys, let's solve another puzzle. You can see this figure. Here two numbers are 5, 5, 2, 15, 27, 45 and what comes in this place. Okay, so if here you can notice the all numbers are in the upper space are big and the lower space are small. So what you have to do? Just you have to do just you have to do division or subtraction. Okay, so let's check. If you divide 5 divided by 5, so you are not able to get 2. Okay, so this trick is cancelled. Let's do another trick. If you just add this number 5 plus 5, this is your 10. Okay, so how you can get 2 from the 10? When I divide 5 from the 10, so I can get 2. Okay, let's try this trick. So same here, 15, 20, just add this. So this is your 35. Okay, this is your 35. So according to my trick, I divided here 5. So you just have to divide this 5. So here you get 7. So this trick is correct for this figure. Just apply this trick to this figure. So you have to just first add this. So 45. Okay, then divided by 5. So here is 9. So my answer is 9. It's so easy. Okay guys, let's solve this puzzle. This type of puzzle is very much important and you can see this type of puzzle everywhere. In mathematics, if you know the trick of solving this type of puzzle in 1 second, so do subscribe my channel, because I am going to tell you and I am going to tell you the trick to solve this type of puzzles, and I am trying to give you more and more puzzles to solve in a second. Okay, so today let's solve this puzzle. So you can see the questions. 9 plus 2 equals to 99, 2 plus 3 equals to 10, 8 plus 5 equals to 104, 5 plus 4 is what? Okay, so when you add 9 plus 2, it's not 99. When you multiply 9 into 2, it's not 99. So what you have to do? First you have to just add this. Okay, just add this. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, so how can you make 11 to 99? Just multiply 9. Okay, 11 into 9 is 99. Okay, so here you get some hint. Let's try this hint in this numbers. If it is workable, then we will apply this trick to every numbers. Okay, let's see. So first what you have to do, add this. 3 plus 2, it's your 5. Okay, so how can you make 5 to 10? Into 2. Okay, so let's see. 8 plus 5, it is, add this, so what is this? It is your 13. And how you make 13 to 104? So how can you check? You just have to divide 104 divided by 13. So it will be 8. Okay, yeah, that means you have to multiply 8 to make 104. Okay guys, you can see here these numbers are what numbers? The first number. Okay, the first number. 11 into 9, the first number. 5 into 2 and 13 into 8, that means the first number. So here you get the trick. So here you also have to do what? First you have to add this, that is your 9 into your first number. Okay, that is your 45. Here you get the answer, 45. So easy. Okay guys, just try my trick and solve this puzzle and comment me the correct answer for this place. Okay, just carefully see this puzzle. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my puzzle and this is very much interesting. Do try this at your home, and I'm trying to give you more and more puzzles, and I'm trying to give you the tricks to find this type of puzzles. So do subscribe my channel for more and more type of puzzles and more math short tricks, because in my video I am trying to give you the shortest method and fastest calculation method of mathematics. And if you are preparing for any competitive exam, then it is very much important to know the tricks to solve mathematical problems. Okay, so do subscribe my channel and share with your friends to know them about my tricks, and like my videos and comment down the do it yourself, and also comment how my videos are helpful for you. And thank you.